So you guys saw in the title, I just want to give a big shout out to you guys first and foremost, because you guys made this happen. You guys made it possible. You guys shared the video content. You guys have made comments on it. So I just want to give a shout out to you guys for making this all possible, from growing from 0 to 1,000, our first 1,000. It's a tremendous journey and I really do appreciate it. And I'm really passionate about what I do here on this channel just for you guys. So I know this channel is very important to me and many other people, because the reason I started this channel was I didn't really have references. I didn't have guidance in the sense of knowing how to style, dress, or groom in today's modern world. I never had anyone to teach me growing up. So one of the biggest reasons of me doing this is because I want to implement those same habits, those same factors, and those same values that I do see and how they have changed my life through experimenting and just seeing what works. And I just want to help many people out there. Yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for checking out Arccway. You guys have been tremendous. Thank you for sharing the content, and thank you guys for watching this journey. And regarding what is going on in today's world, I'm going to be talking about it on live, so you guys can check out those live videos. I'll be discussing some things from my perspective. I want to engage with you guys to know what you guys think as well, and how we can move forward and have constructive conversations on how to implement new factors and how to help people and change the world. So thank you guys so much for watching Arccway. Thank you guys for watching this video. We just reached our first 1,000. So let's see where we can go from here. Thank you.